Good morning, guys. Welcome to your Phonics Center. We're continuing our study of diagraphs today. We know that diagraphs are two letters that sit side by side in a word and they make one sound. We went over a lot of diagraphs and I'm super proud of how hard you all have been working. We have 4 new diagraphs that we're going to go over today. You have the KN digraph, which says N, the WR, which says R, GN, which says and MB, which says okay? So, first things first, you're going to need your notebook or a piece of paper, whatever Miss Downey has given you. You're going to need that, glue, scissors, and that should be it for today, because what we're going to do is we're going to turn all of these little diagraph boxes into pockets, and then you should also have this page and a page with pencils on it. Those pencils have words on it. You're going to that word is made of, and you're going to put it in the pocket that it matches. So your title today, just at the top in your in the box, it says diagraphs, which we know are letter best friends, 2 letters that sit side by side and make one sound. And your I can statement says I can read and write words with diagraphs. So by the end of today's lesson, you will be able to read words that are made of diagraphs, so 2 letters that make one sound, and you're going to be able to organize them into their correct pockets. So go ahead and on those dotted lines, cut out your title, just like this. Paste it to the top of your notebook page or to the top of just a piece of paper, whatever Miss Downey's asked you to do. As you're working, guys, put your scraps in the tidy tub as you're working so that the floor stays clean and your desk stays clean and you don't have one big mess to clean up at the end. You can kind of keep things cleaned up as we go. So Miss Downey has her title up at the top. The next thing you're going to do, and I'm going to put my scraps in my tidy tub so it's out of my way, it's neat and clean. I'm keeping up with my glue lid, going back on there just like that. None of my stuff is in the floor, it's all right here where I need it. Now remember, you can pause the video at any time if you need to. Okay, Miss Downey is not going to go over the words today with you on your pencils, but what I am going to do is give you instructions on how to get your page ready, and then once your page is ready, you're going to look at those pencils, you're going to decide which diagraph is in what word, you're going to organize it and stick it in the pocket that it belongs or matches, and then you can color when you're finished. So what I'm going to need you to do is with your scissors on the solid black line, you're going to cut out the entire square. Okay, so we've got that going for us. So we've got that one. Now, Miss Downey cut out KN first. That's the one you should have cut out first. Remember, when we make a pocket, we don't want to glue up here on the top or down in the middle. We just glue on the side, and across the bottom so that this area is open for us to slide our pencils down in. So Miss Downey's going to go ahead and glue on her KN pocket. And I'm only putting glue on the side so that I have a pocket. I'm going to glue it a little bit up at the top. You're going to have 2 on the top, and you're going to have 2 on the bottom. Okay, so there's my KN pocket. I'm going to do the exact same thing for all my other pockets. I'm going to cut out on that dotted line, making sure I get the lip. So I'm cutting that out. I'm sorry, I said dotted. On the solid line. Cutting that out. And I know that to make the pocket, I'm only gluing here, here, and here. Okay? So when I do that, I will have 2 pockets on the top. And when I cut out my next 2 boxes, I'm going to have 2 pockets on the bottom. Now listen very closely to your instructions, because this is what you're doing for your activity. You're going to cut out all 4 pockets, have those pasted on your paper. You're going to look, sound out the word in the pencil. Look and see, does it have a KN in it? Does it have the WR? Does it have the GN? Does it have the MB? Okay? Whichever diagraph that word has, slide that pencil into that pocket, and then you're done. That's all you have to do. I want your brain to do the work today. Keep your area clean. Do not let the scraps get in the floor. Keep your glue lid with your glue stick and work super, super hard, and Miss Downey is going to be super proud of you all. Good job today, guys.